and recoup, probably come up with a new strategy, and what can it be?
Yes, in fact, after a string of pointed questions from Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud bench, eventually Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who had senior advocate who had represented these 14 opposition parties, realized from the tone and tenor of the hearing that no relief is coming from the opposition parties, and thought it wise to withdraw rather than the Supreme Court dismissing this petition. After the remarks from the Chief Justice bench, the petitioners, that is the 14 opposition parties represented by Abhishek Singhvi, has now withdrawn. Now the order written is just one sentence that after a brief hearing, petitioners seek to withdraw this petition, so it is declared as dismissed as withdrawn. So which means that it is on the record, the petition is withdrawn. So now legally this petition does not stand in the Supreme Court. There is no another date given, there is no argument given. Whatever had to happen had happened today itself, and two important remarks have come in. The Supreme Court had towards the closing said that when that is political parties, argue that there is a chilling effect on opposition because of CBI ED cases against opposition, the answer lies in the political space and not in courts.
And to get an answer on that, let me go to Naved Siddiqui of the Samajwadi Party. Sir, Supreme Court is saying कि आपको अगर इन बातों का जवाब चाहिए, if you think that you are being targeted by central investigating agencies, then you should raise those issues on political platforms, not come to the courts in this case. But I think I've lost that line. Harish, you were making a point. Just go on and complete it, please.
Yes, this court also went on to say that the law which we lay down is confined to the facts of the case, and on the basis of we lay down general guidelines, but us laying down general guidelines will be a dangerous proposition. So in a way, Supreme Court goes on to say that we cannot issue such a blanket but omnibus order. Remember, Priya, even the Abhishek Manu Singhvi had said that there are more than 1,181 cases against several politicians across the country. Supreme Court is basically asking, how can we quash such a proceeding with a blanket order? There has to be one or two aggrieved persons before us. When politicians as a class come before us, we cannot give any higher level of immunity to the politicians.
And the timing of this could not have been more stark. It comes in the middle of budget session, back-to-back protests being organized by the opposition parties, and just 2 days after Prime Minister himself told the CBI that I know that people that you are working against or prosecuting are very powerful, but you must not stop doing your work. You must do it with as much diligence as you can. Listen into what the Prime Minister had to say about CBI and its functioning.
जिनके खिलाफ एक्शन ले रहे हैं वो बहुत ताकतवर लोग हैं। बरसों बरस तक उन्होंने भी एक इकोसिस्टम बनाया है। इकोसिस्टम अक्सर उनके काले कारनामों को कवर देने के लिए, आप जैसी संस्थाओं की छवि बिगाड़ने के लिए एक्टिव हो जाता है। एजेंसी पर ही हमला बोल दो, ये लोग आपका ध्यान भटकाते रहेंगे, लेकिन आपको अपने काम पर फोकस रखना है। और मैं आपको भरोसा दिलाता हूं, देश आपके साथ है, कानून आपके साथ है, देश का संविधान आपके साथ है। आज देश में करप्शन के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने के लिए राजनीति की इच्छा शक्ति में कोई कमी नहीं है।
Khaliqur Rahman of the TRS is now joining us. Sir, I'm not too sure if you could hear what Prime Minister said, but it looks like what happened in the Supreme Court today has almost stamped what the Prime Minister is saying, that anybody who indulges in anything that is against the law has to face the brunt.
Absolutely. See, as far as the law is concerned, no one is above the law, whether it's a politician or whether it's a ordinary citizen, because everyone has to be treated equally before the law. But